Good afternoon, everyone. Just a few announcements. First, the Independent Commission for Infrastructure, or the ICI, has issued an invitation to Congressman Ferdinand Martin G. Romualdez and to appear before the Commission and testify, among others, on the national budget insertions and involvement in DPWH flood control projects from the time he became Speaker of the House. I will be providing a copy of our invitation to all of you. The date in the invitation for the hearing is set on October 14, 2025, which is a Tuesday at 10 a.m. The ICI will be sending our invitation to the Congressman hopefully this afternoon, and we will course it either directly to his office or through the Secretary General of the House of Representatives. Second, the Independent Commission for Infrastructure has also issued a subpoena duces tecum and ad testificandum against former Congressman Elzaldi Zaldico. The hearing is set on October 14, 2025, Tuesday at 10 a.m. This is with regard to his personal knowledge from the time he joined the Committee on Appropriations of the National Budget Insertions and his involvement in DPWH flood control projects. We will be sending this also to the Office of the Secretary General, care of Ako Bicol Party List in the House of Representatives. I will also provide the media a copy of our subpoena to former Congressman Zaldico. And third, the Independent